Hello, boys and girls. It's time once again for reading workshop. Today, I want to teach you that readers can find the main idea of a nonfiction text. What is main idea? Main idea is what the passage or book is mostly about. We could find the main idea then by asking ourselves, what is this mostly about? So I have this bag of books and I have several books I wanted to read, but I wanted to know what the main idea of the books were. But I had so many other things to do, and I didn't want to spend time just sitting down to read all of the book to figure out what each one is mostly about. So I thought to myself, first thing readers have to do before they open any new book, they have to look at the cover. So that's a good place to start, don't you think? So let me start there with this first book. So this first book, I'm noticing on the cover a bunch of insects that look like wasps. And of course they're wasps. And I'm thinking that this book is going to be mostly about wasps. But then I looked closer and I said, no, but there are some words on here. Let me read the title and get some better idea about what the book will be about. And the title says, We Need Insects. So I thought then, it's not just going to be about wasps, it could be about many other kinds of insects. So I thought, based on the cover picture and the title, that this book is going to be mostly about insects that we need. Did you see how I do that? I check out the cover picture and I read the title, then I think what the book is going to be mostly about. Let's try it with one of the other books that I pulled from my book bag. So here is the next book. And on the cover of the next book, I saw two dolphins. One of them is a large dolphin and one is a small one. The small one looks like a baby dolphin. And they're swimming in the ocean. So I thought this book is going to be mostly about dolphins swimming in the ocean. Well, let me see if I'm close to it or if I'm right. Doesn't seem so. So now I'm going to read the title and see if I get a better idea about this book. And the title says, Who Grows Up in the Ocean? So that got me thinking, this is not just going to be about dolphins, because based on what we already know, is that there are many other kinds of animals that live in the ocean. So this book is going to be mostly about animals that grow up in the ocean, because it says, Who grows up in the ocean? Again, did you see how we do that? How did we find the main idea? We check out the cover picture and we read the title. So now it's your turn to try it with this other book. Remember, check out the cover picture, read the title, then think, what is this book mostly about? Did you check out the picture? What did you see in the picture? Of course, you saw a shark. There's one shark in the water. The shark is in the ocean. It's showing its big, sharp teeth. Very scary, isn't it? So did you think that this book is going to be mostly about shark or sharks? Well, let's read the title and see. The title says sharks. So now we could make a prediction, a better prediction about the main idea of this book. This book is going to be mostly about sharks. Did you see how we do that? We check out the cover picture, we read the title, then we think what the book is mostly about. Now it's time for you to go off and try it in your own nonfiction books. Today, when you pull out your books, remember, check out the cover picture and read the title to help you make a prediction about what the main idea of the book is. Most of all, boys and girls, I want you to enjoy reading.